Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, April 3 to 5, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, one of the best educational institutions in the Bicol region. About this power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable With You program. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you are watching via Facebook, just click on the description above this page for more details on BPI Sustainable With You. And also this is brought to you by one of the best hotels in the Bicol region, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Negacion, and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set that we created last night and it's valid until today, Wednesday, April 3. The easterly wind flow continues to prevail across the eastern sections of the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. There will be some cloudiness with some rain showers, but low probability of thunderstorms. And the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain dry and warm, with heat index reaching more than 40 degrees in some areas. While outside of PAR, we are looking at a near equatorial trough. This was once LPA 94W, which developed for the past few days but dissipated gradually. And so far, there are no succeeding disturbances. It's all clear across the Western Pacific. And if you take a look at the fast animation, there you go. This is now the surface trough, trying to organize as it moves to the south of Mindanao. And for the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com UMIT satellite servers, there is some cloudiness approaching the eastern shorelines of the Bicol region and eastern Visayas, including some areas of northern Caraga, Siargao, Dinagat Islands, while the rest of the Philippines will remain clear and dry with hot temperatures. Now let's take a look at the latest from Pag-asa. This is from their website. As you can see here, here's the table that shows the highest heat index for the past 5 days since March 29. And so far, the range of highest heat index in various parts of the country are reaching up to 46 or 45. And you can check it out here. And they also have some forecast of what will be the potential highest heat index. For example, here in the Bicol region, in Masbate, they are forecasting a high heat index of 42 degrees on April 4, or by tomorrow. Okay. And also here, across Camarines Sur, 42 to 43 degrees Celsius will be expected today and tomorrow. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids, lots of water. While here at our weather station, Typhoon2000, this is the graph that shows the highest heat index. We experienced the high heat index of 47.2 degrees centigrade last March 27. And the lowest of 40 degrees, 40.5. That was March 30, and yesterday, or April 1, we reached a high of 45.1, yesterday 40.8, and as of now, it's still 11 o'clock in the morning, it's already at 40.4 degrees centigrade, so we expect between 42 to 43 degrees today based on the forecast, also of Pag-asa. While the outside temperature is ranging from the maximum, ranging from 32 to 34 degrees centigrade. Right now, it's still at 32 degrees centigrade. And here's the forecast for the wind and pressure from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. So far, so good. For the next 3 days until Saturday, April 6, it will remain easterlies across the eastern sections of our country. These are light winds from the east, but there are no potential threat of very strong thunderstorms as of this time. It's generally dry. And you can clearly see here on the forecast from the European model today, tomorrow, Friday until Saturday, thunderstorms are only focused over Soxygen area and some portions of western Mindanao, including Zamboanga Peninsula, for the next 3 days. So the rainfall accumulation forecast are showing isolated thunderstorms in various portions of Mindanao, while the rest will remain dry with 0 chances of thunderstorms. Now let's take a look at the wave forecast from the European model, also from windy.com. For the next 3 days until April 6, Saturday, the eastern Philippine Sea will remain light waves around 1.3 to 1.5 meters, while the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, as well as over the West Philippine Sea, including the Calayan Island group, will remain calm to up to 1 meter in wave height. So nothing unusual when it comes to the wave heights. So it's safe to have fishing activities and sea travel. So there's no problem around the Philippine Islands. Now let's take a look at the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook issued today, April 3. This is valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks. This is coming from the Climate Prediction Center of the United States. And for week 2, valid April 10 to April 16, the Philippine Islands will remain more than 65% of below average rainfall. So it's extremely dry, and because of the effects of El Nino, it will be much drier across the country. And on week 3, valid April 17 to April 23, with very high uncertainties, it will remain more than 65% of below average rainfall across the Philippine Islands. And so far, there's no tropical cyclone in sight based on this outlook. And that's the end of our forecast and our update for today, April 3, and we'll return in the next couple of days from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying, have a great week, stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.